In this tutorial, I am going to show you how we can customize an LLM model using Ollama's Modelfile using Ollama's API in Python. An Ollama Modelfile is a configuration file that defines how an LLM model will behave. By customizing your own LLM model, you can define custom system prompts to guide the model's responses, configure model quantization and optimization settings, and create specialized versions of existing models for particular tasks. Before diving into the tutorial, make sure you have both Ollama and Ollama Python package installed. For the demonstration, I will be using Microsoft's FI's LLM model. If you don't have the model installed, you can download the model by using the command Ollama Modelfile in the Python script here. I'm using Ollama show method to extract the model file content of the file model. Let me run the script to display the model file content. From the output, we have a few parameters. The key parameter here is the system parameter to control the personality of the model. Now let me create a new model file called myModel based on the file model. In the myModel file, I'm going to replace the system prompt with "You are an AI assistant and your name is called JJ. Your purpose is to help the user with their daily tasks and provide them with information." Save the model file and back to the Python script. Now I'm going to load the myModel file into a variable called Modelfile. Using Ollama create method, name the model as GSModel and load the modified model file content. If you want to update an existing model, simply update the model content and recreate the model with the same model name. Save the file and run the script to create the model. If the model creation is successful, you should see the status returns as success. And from Ollama's model list, the customized model should now be available. To test the model, create a new Python file. In the prompt, I am going to ask, "What is your name?" Run the script. From the output, the assistant replies with, "I am JJ, an AI assistant," followed by other details. This is all for this Ollama tutorial. Hopefully you guys find this video useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Ollama tutorial like this. Happy coding. See you in the next one.